Hi guys, my name is Coach Vince. On this video I'm gonna show you how to do compounding on Roid Club and sigen.pro. First, you're gonna log into your account, the Roid Club account. You log in. Once you log in, you'll see how much coin you're having. You can put the amount on your calculator. Is 735.54, and then you will subtract the amount you invested. You will go back to Roid Club and click on history, and then where it says investment amount under the statistics, you'll see 734. Then you go back to your calculator, you put 734, then you say it's equal to, you can see the difference is 1.54. so for this example I'm just gonna withdraw one coin. Then now you're gonna go back to Sigen. You log in. Logged in, say wallet, UMI, and then you click here, you copy, you click on send, you click on to trade wallet. As we mentioned that we're gonna only take one coin, so we take one coin, we say next, we withdraw, and then we close. We can go back now. Now you can see one coin is gone. Here is our coin. So now we're gonna send it back. You click on send, you paste. You can click here and say withdraw on, say next, withdraw, and your password. Close and go back. Now you need to go back to your Roid Club. Roid Club, you can see we have 735.49. You can see now the amount went down because every time when you send any investment or reinvestment they take 10%, but when you go to history, now on number of investment, it doesn't say 734, it's 735 now. Congratulations, you just recompounded. I'm out.